Alright, so first of all we have to scout for a landing zone. An LZ if you're military.
I mean, I just land wherever, so...
Your mom.
Wow, okay, well... You wanna just
Hey,
drop me out there, the band vendor?
that's the bandit vendor. There's gonna be snipers all over.
You drop me out there?
Where?
Yeah, you said the band. Oh god, floor it! Floor it! There are people down there.
I played on the server for a long
Let's
time.
not go to this place.
They're waiting.
That was spooky. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar. No, just go to the C-130.
Go to where?
The C-130.
Okay.
Okay. Open your compass. I want you to go to 140.
I can't open my compass.
Okay, okay.
I know, I can't while I'm flying.
You can double tap it and open.
Yeah, it's still not giving it to me. Giving it.
Just go right a little bit, barely.
Well, I know where it is. I'm not retarded.
Are there really people down here?
Yeah, they were shooting at us.
The weed farm was empty.
No.
The weed farm is.
Okay, land there, please. That'd be great. Or not land. I mean, I can jump out if you want me to. But just jump out and I'll handle the rest.
No, you jump out.
Oh wait, is that? Oh yeah, no, it's a real C-130. All right.
Did you jump?
Jumping right now. All right.
Come give you a ride. It's easier for me to pick you up.
You live and you learn, boys.
Did I look cool there? Did I look BA? Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
No!
Did you really?
What? I didn't even come close to him. I didn't even come close. Okay. I have that on video.